Oh, that's the fan. I was hearing the noise in the background. This is the Touppreith. It says fill and repair without formwork. Now here's to damp masonry. I might have a little bit of damp masonry. But what it is I've got some of this left over, and I've got a little filling to do on this bathroom wall. This is a bathroom preparation. Down here along this edge, I'm going to do something with that edge. I get the Touppreith on there first. There, just around that there, Touppreith there. Then over here, this one is what I'm going to do next. Now you can see somebody's used the same stuff I've used. You see those little, that's fiberglass tape, joint tape. So I'm going to take some of that Touppreith, that joint tape, and stick it on there. It's this stuff here. Okay, and I've been washing things down with the Weather Shield multi-surface fungal wash. I might want to do that first before I even do any of the metting. I want to make that's preparation time now for that. So I got so much stuff just for painting a room. You know, look at all those chemicals over there. I don't know if that's good or bad. Hot air gun, really good. The Zinser stain blocker, primer, sealer, different fillers. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Do the prep work on that over there first with some 60 grit. Just get over there right now and hit it with 60, see if I can clean it up. Then come back with some fungal wash, dry that off, put the tape on, and then mix up a batch of the Touppreith and use whatever I fill that or any of this here if I have extras. So that's the plan, Stanley.